Well, students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. Today I am with a new topic for you, class 7. This is a very interesting topic. Here I am going to discuss about forests, our lifeline. Now, a question comes in your mind, what is a forest? Usually, a forest is described as an area of land where different type of plants, animals and microorganisms coexist in their natural homes. The various physical features like climate of the place, the soil type and some of the other factors may determine the types of trees and animals found in a forest. Here I am going to discuss about the various layers of forest as well as the importance of forest in this video. So let's start. So the layers of forest. The trees in the forest are of different shapes and heights. According to this, the forest can be divided into the following layers. The emergent layer, or you can say the A layer. This layer is very sunny because only the tallest trees reach this level. It is also known as the overstory. Animals found in this layer includes the birds, butterflies, small monkeys, bats, snakes and bugs. Next come the canopy layer. This is the thickest layer and much of the rain is stopped by the thick foliage, that are the leaves. Most trees in the forest grow to this height. There are plants that grow in the canopy layer whose roots do not reach the ground. These are called air plants. Animals found in this layer includes the birds, monkeys, frogs, sloth, lizards, snakes and many other insects. Here you have to learn one term, that is the crown of the trees. The branchy part of the tree above the stem is known as the crown of the tree. The understory. This layer has many vines, dense vegetation, but not much sunlight as it is all blocked by the canopy. Giant and tall trees, shrubs, tall grasses and herbs are present in this layer. The animals found in this layer include the birds, butterflies, frogs and snakes. Finally, the forest floor, the D layer. This layer is dark, damp and full of many dead leaves, twigs and dead plants. It is usually clear of vegetation with very little or no wind and rain reaching there. The forest floor is dark due to the trees above stopping the sunlight from entering the forest. It is estimated that only 2% of the sunlight actually reaches the forest floor. The animals found in this layer include the jaguars in the South America, gorillas, leopard in Africa, tigers and elephants in Asia. So let's move on to the importances of forests. Forests are very important renewable natural resource. Now what is a renewable resource? Some resources have the ability to regenerate themselves. So forest also is included in the renewable category, as forests can renew themselves or regenerate themselves. Now forests are essential for us in various ways. What are the ways? Let's discuss. Number 1, purification of air that we breathe. Forests pump out the oxygen that we need to live and absorb carbon dioxide we exhale. This is done during photosynthesis. Next come the source of food and shelter to animals. Forests provide shelter to various animals and also provide food to animals as well as humans. Like humans depend directly and indirectly on the forest products for food. Now herbivores that eat plants and carnivores that eat herbivores all are dependent directly or indirectly on the forest for the food. Next come the shelter for the animals. Forests provide shelter and means of livelihood for many tribals and other people living near the forest area. They collect various types of forest produce like honey, fruits, roots, leaves and hunt various small animals and birds for their food. Next come regulating the climate and rainfall. Trees of the forest keep the air cool by the evaporation process during photosynthesis and they increase the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere that helps in cloud formation. In turn, it increases the precipitation or rainfall. Next, finally, is the prevention of the soil erosion. The roots of the trees bind the soil particle and prevent them from eroding. Next come the fighting the flood. Forests help in many other ways also, like fighting flood, refilling the aquifers, blocking the wind, and preventing from various type of storms, keeping the dirt in its place and cleaning up dirty soil, sources of useful materials like rubber making, latex, gum, resin, fiber, oil, honey, all this comes from the forest. Forests are also the source of medicines. And finally, the last but not the least, it creates job. More than 1.6 billion people depend on forest to some extent for their livelihood. According to United Nations, about 10 million people are directly employed in forest management or conservation. Forests contribute about 1% of the global gross domestic product through timber production as well as non-timber products. So here we have discussed about the various importances of forest. So this was all about today's topic about the layers of the forest and the importances of forest. In the next upcoming video, I will discuss about the conservation of forest, deforestation, food chain, food web, all these parts are left. So hope you understood today's topic and found it interesting. If you have liked it, do share it with your friends and please don't forget to press the like button. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do it. Thanks for watching.